It's not. We believe that the good news is for all mankind.
It's not about what you believe. What does the Bible say?
The Bible tells us to preach the good news to all.
She ain't walked on the wrong doorstep.
God made Adam and Eve, and all nations came from that.
No. Okay, let me ask you a question.
Y'all knocking on doors.
Go to Revelation 13 and 10.
Know your stuff before you knock.
You want to read it? Okay.
She didn't want to read it.
Into captivity shall go into captivity. He that killeth will with the sword must be killed with the sword. Here is the patience and the faith of the
Patience and
Can you
faith.
explain that verse to me?
Well, not off the top of my head, but I could do research and find out the understanding of that.
Now she got to do research,
You know
but
how
she
your
knocking on his
ancestors got
door.
here?
Yes, sir.
He got no business at his door.
Our ancestors. You know how?
If you don't know
black
that
people
Bible.
came to America?
Well,
How?
yes.
Well, I'm talking to the lady. How did you get to America? How did your ancestors come to America?
Oh Lord.
Slave trade.
Right. You know that's in the Bible? Go to Deuteronomy 28
He let the
68.
can out the worms. The worms out the can. You gonna learn today?
Okay. It says, and the Lord shall bring
And the Lord.
thee into Egypt again with ships. By the way thereof I spoke unto thee. Thou shalt see it no more again, and there ye shall be sold unto your enemies.
To who?
To your enemies.
Unto your enemies.
Wait a minute. What does it say? To your who? You'll be sold to your who?
Your enemies.
Your enemies.
What's your question?
So if you came over here in a cargo slave ship, you were sold to who?
I have a question.
Go ahead. What's your
Oh, you
question?
got a question there.
Have you read up to that
I
point?
read the whole Bible.
He like Brian
Now,
Kent.
listen.
Front
If you
and
just
back.
said you came over here in a cargo slave ship, and what did the Lord say? Read it one more time for
I
me.
personally didn't.
True
You
come
had
out, they want
forefathers
to
before. Excuse me.
mother.
You had forefathers and generations before you, correct?
Yes.
I didn't come over here in a cargo slave ship, but my